What is going on, everyone? Thank you for checking out another Hunt's Quick Look video. My name is Josh, and today I'm looking at the brand new A7RV from Sony. The A7RV is the latest full-frame mirrorless entry into Sony's pro camera lineup, boasting an astounding 61 megapixel backside illuminated CMOS sensor. Sony has steered into the AI game, integrating an AI processing unit for improved autofocus accuracy and subject detection, now adding more vehicles and insects with 40% improvements in animal recognition. The latest Biones XR image processing engine has also been added, allowing for much improved exposure control and color accuracy across the board. The A7RV also offers improved 5-axis stabilization for up to 8 stops of in-body image stabilization alone. For continuous still shooting, Sony has now increased its compressed raw imaging to an insane 583 images at 10 frames per second using the mechanical or electronic shutter. Videographers need not worry, as the A7RV can shoot up to 8K 24p video and 4K at 60p. Sony's S-Log3 picture profile allows for 14 plus stops of dynamic range while making color grading so much simpler on the editor. This camera was obviously created with pro-level videographers and photographers in mind, offering helpful and sought-after features for all users. Thank you so much for checking out this Hunt's Quick Look video. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to like and subscribe to our channel so you never miss an upload. Once again, my name is Josh, and if you have any other questions about the Sony A7RV or anything else camera related, please be sure to give us a call, send us an email, DM us on one of our socials, or simply stop by one of our 8 stores located around New England.